Alright guys, we're back on my Mustang. Got this motor, pulled the intake off, the valve cover. It's a junkyard motor. Everything seems pretty decent so far. And we'll keep on cleaning it up and taking stuff off. I got all gaskets and stuff for this thing. We'll get the block cleaned up and everything. So, alright, get there. So, intake manifold's off. Got some of the bracketry off. This is the other side that kind of had was a little wonky. Same number 4 cylinders, just like the my motor. So we're gonna pull the head off here in a couple minutes and check everything. So if everything's good on both sides, we will excuse me, we will clean everything up and put a head gasket on it. Probably put some valve seals in, make it good. All right, guys. Okay, guys. My lunch break. Pull the cylinder head off, and still got the hot cross hatch. Everything looks good. Oh, dirty right there, but it's all right. It'll be fine. I already turned it over by hand at one point. This is the other one I was worried about, but that one turned out good. Later, Force. Heads are off. We'll get them cleaned up, and we're gonna pull the timing chain off real quick and go from there.
101 sound. Hey, yo,
fuck what they talking about. I've been getting my cake and running wild since a little child. Yeah, getting it every day. I'm working sun up till the sun down. Yeah, I'm getting it every day. These niggas hating, trying to see how I do this shit. Bitch, I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. You grew to this. I got that 30 on me, that ruler clip, I do you in. Yeah, shoot you and all your friends. Yeah, I'm going 10 for 10. Yeah, these niggas hoes, they ain't gonna touch her on my chinny chin. Yeah, big PRE championship ring, cause all I do is win. Yeah, big old Glock riding down the street up in the big old Benz. How about designer with J's again? Yeah, I set that trend. I used to drip, now I drench. Yeah, bitch, I drench. Yeah, I been back so much shit, it don't make no sense. Yeah, all my exes throwing this, they missed out on the key. No matter how much money I get, I never pay